You're watching Bermuda Grad Central, changing the world 1 yard at a time.
Okay, yard fanatics, welcome back. Now, if you were wondering what happened with the Wolverine work boots that I had, remember I had an issue with the bottom of it falling off, and I did the warranty thing and they sent me a new pair of shoes. So let's go ahead and look at it. And if you don't know what a Wolverine looks like, that's what they look like. So they sent the shoes that came by FedEx. They were at the front porch when I got home, and I must say I like them. I like them. Now, these are not the exact ones that I had originally. They give you a choice to choose between 3 shoes, not the 3 that they pick, the 3 that you pick. And whichever one they have in stock, that's the one they're going to send to you. Now, I've noticed in the past, the cheapest shoe that you pick is the one that they're going to send to you. And these were like $130 at one point, but I think they were on sale for like $80, $90, something like that. So it's a really good shoe, and I love it. Now the insoles, the shoe is comfortable, but the insoles totally different, guys. For better comfort, I would upgrade those insoles to something else. You can get it at Walmart, online, Amazon, but upgrade your insoles to your shoes. Okay.
Fanatics, look, like I said, the new Wolverine shoe came in, and I've worn it for about a week out in the rain. I mean, just mud everywhere. And as you can see, it still looks good. You know, got a little something right there, because this is actually a suede, but you know, this shoe is waterproof, just like this one right here. Now this is the trip part. When they tell you to go for the warranty, I got these. This shoe was the original shoe. Replace them with these. All right, it's not the same shoe. They give you 3 choices. You have to pick 3 choices at the same price, and whatever one they have in stock, or basically whichever the cheapest one you pick, is the shoe that they're going to send you. But look, they make you cut the tongue completely out of it, unlace it, and I had to take a picture like this and send it to them, and they sent me through a whole bunch of steps. But as far as the return policy, not return policy, the warranty, it's legit. It's legit. I will say this. Yeah, guys, look, when you send those shoes back, well, you're not sending them back, but when they replace them, you have to keep that original receipt. That's why I ordered mine off of Amazon, because the receipt is online all the time. But if you buy it at a store and you don't have that receipt, guess what? You don't have a warranty. I mean, it's that simple. You can try to use your card, and I recommend use your card, because that's a copy of the receipt that you could pull up later on. But yeah, don't lose that receipt. It took about, once I sent them all the information, it took 3-4 days to get them in. They came by FedEx. I came home, and they were sitting on the sitting over there on the doorstep, and put them on. I'm happy with them. More than likely I'll buy Wolverine forever. I like the name itself sounds tough. I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you, that's why I bought them, man. I thought about Wolverine, the guy from, you know, Marvel, man. I just thought of Wolverine. It's got to be a badass shoe, so I'm gonna get it, man. But yeah, that warranty is legit. Don't lose that receipt, and you should not have an issue replacing your shoe. So like I said, it's just a brief update from BYD, Big Yard Dog. I know, guys, you're like, well, man, this guy ain't making no videos. What's going on? But I've been so busy, man. It's ridiculous. Getting ready for Christmas. Right now, we're about to do another video on this ryegrass fail, I guess. So me and BYD Jr. out here. So guys, yeah, that's the update on those Wolverine shoes. Was it a good warranty? Yeah, it's a good warranty. So just hold on to your receipt and you shouldn't have a problem. Remember one thing. You're tuned into Bermuda Grad Central with BYD. This is Michael Bowman. I'll talk to you soon. Go put my shoes on.